After completing this lecture, I will speak out the name of the currency detected. And these are the highlights of this lecture. We will be adding audio clips into the project and create a new script, text to speech. And in the final step, we will link text to speech to the currency scanner.
Canada, $20.
And big thanks to Patreon for this support. We have been able to create incredible content, explore new ideas, and take this channel to new heights. Your contribution have made a real difference in helping us and grow and improve. Create a new folder, currency audio clips. And import all the audio clips into this folder. For now, I am adding a few extra audios. And this is how audio clip looks in Unity. Move all the audio clip file into the currency audio folder. Here we have all the audio inside currency audio clips. Play the audio, click on audio clip and click here. Creating a new game object, text to speech. Creating a new script, text to speech. Open up the script and remove the extra methods. Here we are creating a variable for audio source to play the audio clip. We will attach an audio source component to this game object and we will assign that to the audio player. Next we are creating an audio clip and list name is a country list. And same we will have a 4-note list. And last will be currency list. We will be creating an onEnable and onDisable method to subscribe and unsubscribe methods. And we are subscribing to onScan node text data. And our custom method is a make data. Unsubscribe to this method in onDisable. Open a currency scanner and create a delegate scan node text data. It will take 3 parameters: country, node, and currency type. And we are creating an event onScan node text data. And we are calling it inside format currency string. Whenever a new node is detected, we are also triggering this method and passing the string data. As you can see, we are providing currency country, name, and type. Let's go back to text to speech. Create a method make text data. And it will receive 3 parameters that we were passing from currency scanner. And here we need to type static, public static event. Here we are preparing audio for currency country, currency name and currency type. Creating a for each loop to search the country list. Creating a for each loop for note list. And we also need to add a condition to compare the country name. Let's say from the detected note we go to the country name China. It will search in the list, does the name China is available in the audio list. If the condition will match, it will assign the audio clip to the country audio. And same all the condition goes for note list. If this particular note is available in the audio list, it will assign to note audio. And all the same conditions for currency list. If all the above condition matches, we will be getting a 3 audio clips to play. So that's why we will be creating a coroutine. It will play the first audio, after a few moments it will play the second and then third. Using coroutine we will be adding a delay in the audio clips. We are passing 3 audio clips to the build speech. Country, cash, currency type. To create a coroutine we start with the IE numerator. Audio player dot clip is equal to country. We are taking the country clip and using audio player dot play, we are playing the country clip. After playing the country clip, we will add a delay. For delay, we will be using yield, return, new, wait for seconds, and we are passing audio player dot clip dot length. It will wait for the country clip length so that country clip can be played properly. After playing the complete country name, it will move to the next clip, that will be our cash. And after playing the cash, it will move to the currency type. We will be calling this build speech coroutine here. To call any coroutine, we need to write start coroutine and name of the coroutine build speech. And here we are passing the audio parameters. At this point, our text to speech script is completed. Let's jump back to Unity. Click on text to speech game object and assign the text to speech script to this game object. Click on add component and search for audio source. Now drag and drop the text to speech to the audio player. Audio source is used to play the audio clips. And we have these 3 lists: country, note and currency. Search and select all the country names and assign it to the country list. Now select all the numbers and assign it to the note list. These are the currency values. And in the last list, assign all the currency types. Now let's create a build and test the project.
$20 America, $20 Canada, $20 Pakistan, 10 rupee. Pakistan, 5,000 rupee. Pakistan, 50 rupee.
As we can see, when a banknote is detected, it will speak out the banknote name. At this point, the core feature of this app has been completed. If you have a similar idea, you can build on top of this. You can also use this app as a starting point. To make it big, you can incorporate all the countries, and that will be awesome. And that can be your cash earning app. Congratulations, you have completed second augmented reality project in this course. And for your learning, more new unique apps will be coming to this course. Thank you for your time and keep learning.